TestFit is a real estate feasibility platform that makes site planning easy. My name is Steven, and today I'm going to show you how to create a site in just a matter of minutes. Now first, let's go over a quick concept so you understand how the software works. TestFit uses real-time AI to optimize for the best design solution for every site based on user parametric input. That's what we call co-authoring. So first, you tell the AI what you need on your site based on your site requirements like unit mix, setbacks, site circulation, parking ratio, etc. TestFit generates the best buildable solution. As you make changes, our AI configurators update the design instantly. So you're not wasting time going back and forth on design revisions. Now, every site is different, so TestFit is fully customizable. You can adjust any parameters in the input panel and drag and edit the generated model right on canvas. With TestFit, you're getting a full picture of your real estate feasibility workflow across design, cost, constructability, all in real time. With that in mind, let's dive right in. First, let's look at site conditions. You can draw a site boundary, or if you're in the US or Canada, you can define by parcels. Next, TestFit will prompt you to choose a configurator. You can think of these configurators as development typologies that come with customizable presets, and those presets drive the detailed site plan. With our configurators, you can design anything from a 5/1 to a grocery store with surface parking to shipping and distribution centers. For this example, let's choose a wrap-style apartment. Next, you can define the required setbacks both in plan and elevation. For special site constraints, you can visualize a number of data layers, including FEMA flood zones, wetlands, and USA soils. You can also take a look at TestFit's built-in zoning data. And automatically track zoning requirements for your site. TestFit will give you a pass-fail indicator in the tabulations panel. Additionally, you can view elevation both in 2D and in 3D. As you make site changes, TestFit will provide automatic cut and fill calculations. And finally, you can use the easement tool to account for these environmental constraints so you can reduce risk right from the beginning. Now, once you get the site set up, you can start iterating. Each configurator has a set of parameters that control the development outcome. This multifamily site has controls for building structure, parking, and verticals. Let's adjust the unit depth, the number of levels, and the parking stall size. With the parameters defined, you can customize different unit types. And adjust the target unit mix. To customize further, you can use spaces to add programs into your building like amenity space, employee area, daycare, and more. You can also move the core and manually drag the building itself. If you need to create a mixed-use site, you can add a space to accommodate for multiple configurators on the same site. Treat this space like its own module, and you can customize anything you need. Now, the site plan is getting close, but if you want to keep exploring different options, you can save each option with different design and financial modeling as a scheme. It's easy to compare each scheme with real-time insights like efficiency ratio, yield on cost, and more. If the end result meets your goals and you want to use it again for other deals, you can save your own preset and reuse it on other sites to get the same development outcome. Additionally, if you'd like to use goal-based constraints, you can use TestFit's generative design capabilities. With no filters applied, TestFit will give us thousands of options, but if we add a couple filters, TestFit will only provide the buildable outcomes within the parameters defined. In the tabulation panel, TestFit is keeping track of all key outputs for your development. So you can get accurate quantity takeoffs with unit count, envelope area, parking stall count, and more. In parallel to the quantities, TestFit is also maintaining a financial model that is calculating core financial data like acquisition cost, net operating income, and yield on cost. You can access these settings in the Proforma section in the nav tree to control things like construction costs, land costs, and rental revenue. In the web, you can edit your deal, as well as analyze quantity takeoff, cost model, and build custom reports. Your entire deal team can access this information in the deal pipeline and even mark up the site with their own suggestions. And that's it. We've created a fully optimized site plan in just a matter of minutes. This would have normally taken days, if not weeks, but our customers are reporting that they're getting site planning done as much as 4 times faster with TestFit. So, if you're ready to explore what TestFit can do for your next pursuit, get in touch with our sales team and see a demo of your site today.